Okay, now here the yes. Sama, you did very well. 桌子 yeah, 子 like 孩子 right? Yeah. 桌子房子
椅子
The last one? door yeah. 柜子 yeah, 4 is short. 柜子 yes, 柜子 Okay, second.
我们
Good, next.
衣服儿子喜欢认识
Good, next.
相声朋友网上漂亮
Yes. Good. You really improved. Now, page 11. What? Yes. Yes. 学校学校帮忙篮球女儿游泳 Okay, now you try. Next one.
手表
Next.
终于
啊？Yes. 终于
公司
终 wait 终于 not 五 I heard one student say 五 not 五终于 yes 终于 next
10
next
身体
next
考试
yeah 考试 next
国家
be careful this so this one how to say this one yes you see it's different this is 国 this is go yes so it's 国家 yes 国家 next 报纸 next one yes 好吃 next one客气 good okay here below 休息 next
睡觉
four yes 睡觉 next one okay let's read okay from the first one let's read together 休息睡觉轮船牛奶 next one next one next good next next 讨论 next yeah second remember always from very low right so 足球 yeah pronunciation 是足球 Yeah, 足球 Next 伦敦 Next Yes 湿润惭愧 Remember 4 quickly 惭愧 Next one Yes 水果 Next 陶醉 Yeah Next one Yes 顺利 Yeah 4 顺利 Yes Okay, so this is the pronunciation. Yeah, I can see everyone's pronunciation improved a lot. Really, just maybe a few the detail. Most now, very good, much better. 很好 very good. 不客气 Thank you for your effort. And every class, thank you for your coming. So each class we learn something new. Actually, each class have connection. So if you want to learn, try your best. So don't miss the class. Every class try to come. Okay. Let's take a picture. Then